Okay, so a memory came up in my feed and I wanted to reshare it onto my page because it was from one of my old pages. So here I am using my Facebook app on my mobile phone and I want to share it, but I also want to save it as a draft so that I can go back and add a video to it. So here I am in my Facebook Pages app and I pop it in. And at the top, you see it only gives me an option to publish now. It's quite annoying when you're on the go. You want to actually just put some stuff into your page and maybe go back to it later. So here's a little workaround. You need to come out of your Facebook app and you need to go into your Facebook Business Pages app. So this looks like this on the outside. It is that yellow flag. You can find it in the App Store by typing in app, go to your App Store or your Play Store and then type in Facebook Pages Manager. And it's this one here with the flag. It's a better way for you to manage your Facebook business pages. So it's free and it's from Facebook. So you just go ahead and download that. I'm going to open it up here. When you open it up, you get a choice of your page. At the top left, if you manage more than one page, you can get to your page by clicking on there. You have your insights, you have your messages, you have your notifications. You also have any appointments that you might have if you've got that set up, but you've also got this tools. And as you see, I have my scheduled posts in there. Now, you don't go in that way. You go to the main page and then you paste. So it says publish. Then you pop your post in there. And then I don't want to publish it as it is. I want to add a video that came with my memory, but I need to just download it from the page that it came in. So then I go ahead and click continue. And as you can see, it says, when will this be published? So I go ahead and go save as draft and click done. You might notice as well that when you go, when will this be published? You can actually schedule your post for later on in the day or in the week if you wish to. So this is another workaround against not being able to schedule from your page inside the Facebook app or on your desktop. So I'm actually going to go back and I want to save it as a draft, as I said, and then you click done and you click save, and it will be saved as a draft inside the Facebook Business Manager app. And to check that it is, you go to the little briefcase on the right hand side, you go to scheduled posts and there's nothing there. You go to post drafts and there's my post waiting for me to come back to it, edit it, schedule it or post it. Hope you found that useful. So remember, instead of going to the Facebook app, go to the Facebook Pages Manager app inside your app or Play Store, and that will help you to manage your page more efficiently on the go. My name's Anita Wong. If you have any other tech issues, please pop them in the comments below this video. And please follow my page, and if you're watching this on YouTube, please subscribe to my channel.